Hello and welcome to KIBS Quick Tips. Today I'm going to show you one of the latest updates in Keynote. It's using Align to Path. First, add the image that you want to use. Next, select the shape and choose Animate. Then select Add Action. Now choose Create Path. Now draw the path that you want your shape to do. Make sure it's nice and interesting. You can edit your path when you're finished if you want. When you are happy with your path, select Done. Click on your motion path animation. Now all you have to do is turn on Align to Path. It's just here. This means that your shape will now change its angle as it moves across the line, and it will follow the line in the direction that you want. Don't forget to check out these great educators on Twitter for more tips on using Keynote. I'll see you next time.